Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add bank details in Zoho Books. So, just head over to books.zoho.com, and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just head over to Settings. So, from here, just scroll down until you get to Customization. Then, from here, just click on PDF Templates. So from the list of templates, of course, we're in invoices. And from here, we can start editing this template. Just click on the edit button. So this is where you can edit your template. And from here, just click on other details. And this is where you can add your bank details. Just click on it. So from here, you can start adding in your bank details such as your account name, your account number, even your bank name, and other information about your bank. You have an option to preview to see how it's gonna look like. Then, once done, just head over and save this template. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!